We are pleased to show you the 2021 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, wheel locks, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, power moonroof, electronic stability control, traction control. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.